What's up, everyone? Today we're unboxing a legend. This is the MN82, a highly detailed 1/12 scale replica of the Toyota Land Cruiser LC79. It's officially licensed and looks absolutely incredible. Let's see if this budget-friendly crawler lives up to the hype. The detail here is insane for the price. We have an openable hood where the battery sits and a functional tailgate. Underneath, it's got a 280 brushed motor and a 17G waterproof servo. For suspension, it uses a front 4-link setup and rear leaf springs, which adds to that realistic truck feel. The tires are high-quality rubber with great grip for climbing. We've got our user manual and a small accessory kit. Inside here, you'll find the scale details you need to attach yourself: the snorkel, rear view mirrors, windshield wipers, and door handles. Next, we have the 2.4 GHz proportional transmitter. It's lightweight, takes 2 AA batteries, and has a dedicated button for speed and lights. Honestly, for the price, the scale detail on this Land Cruiser is unbeatable. If you're already sold and want to grab one for your own collection, I've put a link in the description. And here she is, the truck itself. This sand yellow finish looks spot on. Let's pull out the 7.4V 500 mAh Li-ion battery and the USB charging cable. The headlights are bright, and it even has functional turn signals and reverse lights. On the remote, you can toggle between two speed modes, a slow crawl for technical rocks and a higher speed for flat ground. The steering and throttle are both fully proportional, giving you precise control. It handles 46-degree slopes with ease thanks to that 4WD system. For a budget crawler, the articulation is surprisingly smooth. Final thoughts? The MN82 is a must-have for scale enthusiasts or anyone looking for a solid entry-level crawler. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit that like button and subscribe for the full performance test coming soon. See you in the next one.